Good morning children of standard 8. Today we are going to continue the lesson 10. Last video I explained you about lesson 9, economic system. So what is economics? I have defined what are the different types of that and what are the different type of business. So that lesson is over. I will send you the notes. You will copy down, understand in the for the tomorrow video. You will see first you will copy down the notes of lesson 9, then you will prepare for lesson 10. Today I am going to explain you the lesson about 10, that is again Mahatma Gandhi. It is about part 2. So part 1 we have seen about Jallianwala Bagh, that boycott movement, how it affected the people, understand. So after Jallianwala Bagh, understand, Gandhiji, it was the person who had some faith that British will give back us our country, but Jallianwala Bagh completely lost the faith in Gandhiji and he started for Swaraj, complete Swaraj. So at that time what happened, after Jallianwala Bagh, he started boycott movement. Means whatever the material, whatever the finished good which was sent from foreign, they were boycotted. Even schools were boycotted, universities were boycotted. They have to study in the Indian colleges and schools. After that, so when Gandhiji completely did this, even Britishers still did not leave. Still they passed on something and something like Simon Commission. But Indians were now completely, they wanted Purna Swaraj. All farmers, all artisans who were unemployed, all, and army people, understand, all joined the Gandhiji and for the complete Swaraj. Now we can see in this part 2, only this is short and complete Swaraj we got. See here, one civil disobedient movement. Civil disobedient movement means what? SALT law, which was, understand, Dandi March were started, which is near Navsari, between Surat and Navsari. When Britishers they imposed tax on salt, Gandhiji said, this is not fair, it is unjust. So we cannot, and no Indians were allowed to penetrate, understand, the salt. They cannot, no one was given, it is only the British people who did this work, and high taxes were imposed on salt also. So Gandhiji said that this is unjust to the people. Now we will see, that is civil disobedient movement. It is said civil disobedient movement means breaking the British law. You see, INC means Indian National Congress and other executive committee launch a movement that we should break the salt law. So Gandhi, under the leadership of Gandhi, Khojrab Bagh Ashram, understand, it was started from Ahmedabad till Navsari, which is Dandi March, it was between Surat and Navsari. Understand, they went walking. So all the Satyagrahis, 78 common peoples were there, and in the procession, many people, all the people joined in the procession. Women and men, everyone they joined. Thousands of people were beaten by lathi charge by the Britishers, but still they continued their procession because they wanted to break the salt law. So unjust, because it was very unjust. Now we can see about Dandi March. 78 companions, 12 March 1930. This Dandi March salt law was broken on 1930. Satyagrahis, Gandhiji broke the salt law. Understand? He even said, if I am dying with the death of crow and dogs, I will die, but I will not return to ashram till I break this law, and I will shook the foundation of the British Empire. He said this by picking up a handful salt. He said that I will break this law and I will not return till I am success in this. So at this time, even Mahadev, he said that it was Mahavishwakarman, as if when Gandhi was picking up the handful salt. So at that time, even the British, many people were being hit, many people were being injured, but still this procession was carried on. People were so happy at that time. So he said, I am the shaking the foundation of British Empire. This sentence was told by Gandhiji. He also said, do and die. Understand? We should do and die. If we have to die also, we should die. But till we get Purna Swaraj, we will not sit quietly. He appealed the people. If you shake this, you will not get complete Swaraj. So he also started Satyagrahi. Individual Satyagrahi started. Individual Satyagrahi wise he started because he did not wanted to harm any British Empire, because he said that when total Satyagraha are there, Satyagrahis are there, what happened? Sometimes it is difficult for them to handle and they will shake the British. So you should not harm the British. By Satyagrahi we can get the Swaraj, Purna Swaraj. And when it was in procession, many people were being killed, innocents were being killed in this procession. So he wanted, and it was the Vinoba Bhave who started Buddha movement, and he wanted to help Gandhiji by single Satyagrahi. So single Satyagrahi means individual Satyagrahi. Then after later the procession was, when Gandhiji saw this all, he said that there will be individual Satyagraha, not in procession. Now see in this procession, all the farmers, tribal women, they participate in this movement, in the Dandi March movement. Even Satyagrahi, single Satyagrahi start. See, after this round table conference which was held by the British people, so they said that you have to attend this round table conference. In first round table conference, no people attended. Gandhiji also did not attend, and it was failed. Second round table conference which was held in London. At that time Gandhiji, he attended this conference, and in the meeting it was said that if you want to do the election system, you should have in the two groups, higher group and Dalit. Separately election should be held for them. But Gandhiji said that I want all together, I don't want to separate Dalit. So it is very loss for the country. We cannot separate Dalit from other people. So all the people, election will be done for the whole and soul. So he and many leaders of different communities disagreed to the British, and this conference also was being failed. So this was been, and now we can see that first Muslim people were with us. It was the Lord Curzon of the British. He said he affected the mind of the Muslim people in India. He said that India is a Hindu, and you will not get, even after independence, you will not get any. So it was the leaders of this league conference. So they also, who were the leaders, they said this is right, and they asked for the Gandhiji that they want to separate from India. They want to make other country, Pakistan, understand. So Pakistan demanded for freedom, understand. So that there were partition, at that time there was partition of Pakistan from India, and many people who were in Pakistan, they were there, and India. So Pakistan was separated. First Bangladesh, now we can say, which was our part of the India, that also was separated. After Pakistan, it was separated from our country. But even Muslims who were there in Pakistan, they seek refuge in India because they did not like to continue in Pakistan. It was our leaders, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and other leaders who gave refuge to the Pakistan to continue in India, and it was who gave the complete help for them. Even they were in Pakistan, who came as a refugee. So much Indian people plus they were there, so they did not ignore for that. So this we can see. The next part we can see about Mahatma Gandhi part 2 in the next video. So please, whenever video comes, please read it carefully. Sit with your textbook so you can understand this lesson. Thank you.